giving us fresh insights and an unprecedented view of the universe. The idea for a joint European observatory came in 1953. 12 astronomers from 6 countries gathered in the Netherlands to formulate a plan. Individually, no one European country could compete with the United States, but together they might. 9 years later, the European Southern Observatory started out with 5 founding member states. They began to search for the perfect location for their observatory. Despite its beauty, Europe is not a prime location for astronomy. European astronomers were hindered by light pollution and poor weather. And from Europe, only part of the sky can be seen. To fill in the gaps, you have to travel south. From here, the center of the Milky Way, our home galaxy, passes high overhead, and also the Magellanic Clouds, 2 small companion galaxies to the Milky Way. Invisible from the north, but very conspicuous if you're south of the equator. In 1960, the astronomers turned their attention to South America. In 1963, the die was cast. Chile it would be. 6 months later, Cerro La Silla, a mountain in the arid Atacama Desert, was picked as the future site of the European Southern Observatory. ESO was no longer a distant dream. Europe had embarked on a grand voyage of cosmic discovery. Soon other European countries followed and joined ESO. "167,000 years ago, a star exploded in a small galaxy orbiting the Milky Way. At the time of the distant explosion, Homo sapiens started to roam the African savanna. But no one could have noticed the cosmic fireworks, as the blast of light had only just embarked on its long journey towards Earth. By the time light from the supernova had completed 98% of its journey, Greek philosophers had just started to think about the nature of the cosmos. Just before the light reached Earth, Galileo Galilei trained his first primitive telescopes on the heavens. And on the 24th of February 1987, when photons from the explosion finally rained down on our planet, astronomers at La Silla were ready to observe the supernova in great detail.
Supernova 1987A flared up in the southern sky, unobservable from Europe or the United States. But by this time, ESO had already built its first big telescopes at La Silla, a front-row seat to a cosmic spectacle.
The telescope is the central tool that allows us to unravel the secrets of the universe.